everyone, today we are going to create a passive income source using the AI Midjourney and Etsy. How this is going to work is we're going to generate images from Midjourney, then list them on Etsy. Afterwards, we'll use print-on-demand services to fulfill the order so you don't even have to lift a finger to make the money. The only work you'll be putting in is creating the Midjourney images and listing the products on Etsy. If you're interested in this method to make passive income, make sure to watch the video to the end. After you make a Midjourney account, you'll be led into a room like this in the Discord, and you should be able to go to one of these rooms and type in the command imagine prompt. For this video, I'm gonna say chubby panda in a beautiful bamboo forest with a lot of birds. That sounds creative enough. After the image generated, we're gonna upscale one of these. And for this video, I'm gonna upscale the third one. It looks the best, so I'm gonna upscale that one. After we finish upscaling, we're gonna sign into Midjourney on the website, and you should see all your upscaled and generated image there. So for this video, we're gonna go on Etsy and search up canvas. We're gonna try to sell this panda image as a canvas. And if you look, this one, it looks very AI generated. It probably is AI generated. And you can see selling for more than $75 and has sold hundreds of times, and his entire store probably has thousands and thousands of sales. And how we're going to create listings like that on Etsy is we're going to use print-on-demand sites like Printify, and as you can see, there's more than canvases, clothing as well, stickers. And if we search up canvas, you can see there's blank canvas models for you to put your image on. For this video, I'm actually going to put the image on it, so I'm going to choose one of these canvas and I'm going to design and upload the image on it. After you upload the image, it should have something like that, and we're going to resize it so it looks a little bit better, because right now you can see the lines, it can still be filled, so we're going to adjust it a little so it fits better. After it's finished adjusting, you can go to the next step, and you can see they give you free mockups to use. However, later in the video, I'm going to show you how to get better mockups. So afterwards, you can see you can do the product descriptions, the variants, and you can adjust the price. I recommend doing a higher price because buyers tend to pay more for canvases than regular clothing items. And if you're wondering if this is legit, it is legit. Printify is a registered partner with Etsy. It's on their website. I'm on the site right now. You can see that it's very easy for you to integrate Printify with Etsy. Just a click of a button and everything will be linked. And if you're wondering where to get better mockups, you can use places.com. I personally used this before, and you can see they have a very wide range of mockups, but it is a premium plan, so you do have to pay around $8 a month for it. I personally think it is worth it. And for this video, we're going to choose this one right here, and we're going to upload the panda art on it. It should be uploaded around now. Yep, you can crop it as you like. I'm going to leave it as default, and afterwards you can download this image and upload it on Etsy. And another tool I highly recommend is using Marmalade. It is a SEO tool specifically for Etsy, and it does help a lot. You should definitely use this if you have the budget to. I'll leave everything I mentioned in the description as always. If you like content like this, consider subscribing to my channel, and remember to take action. See you guys next time.